My name is Seth Fenby, and what I have today is a 2007 John Deere 120C excavator with 4,600 hours. I'm going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we'll walk around and we'll take a look at the major components. Okay guys, now we'll take a look at this machine. We'll walk around, look at the major components. The pins are very tight in the bucket. The stick's in excellent shape. It is plumbed out the stick for a hydraulic attachment. The boom's in nice shape. Cylinders are tight, they're not leaking. All the pins are tight. Here's your serial number plate. The undercarriage is in excellent shape. The sheet metal's in very nice shape all the way around the machine. A few little scratches, but it's in nice shape. The other side of the undercarriage. Now look inside the cab. Okay, here we are inside the cab. The seat's in very nice shape. All the controls operate well. The machine's very clean. Here's the radio. All your functions. Your hour meter, 4,633 hours. Controls for the auxiliary hydraulics, air conditioner and heater controls. Hey guys, thanks for viewing the video. As you can tell, this is a very nice machine. It's ready for work. If you need any help with shipping quotes, financing options, payment arrangements, anything like that, all that information is in the description right down there, right below. Also, please like, share, and comment on the video. I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to get the channel out there. So thanks a lot, and you guys have a great day.